Well, good morning, boys and girls. How are you? Today is Tuesday, it's April 28th, and it is about 6:36 a.m. in the morning. I am up doing my videos for you. I hope you had a wonderful day yesterday. We were reviewing shapes, so I know that was fairly easy for you. Some of you have already turned in your work. Today's assignment is your Education Galaxy assignment, the test that's at Education Galaxy. I need you really to go in there and do it. I can see how much time you spend on it. I can see when is the last time you logged in. Okay, so I really need you to do your Education Galaxy on shapes today because it is what your assignment is. And then also today is we're doing genes and heredity in vocabulary and science. You have to go through Clever to be able to get into the vocabulary. Otherwise, it's going to ask you for a password. If you're getting a password, that means that you're not going through Clever. I did put up a brain pop video just in case you can't get into vocabulary, and you can do that as part of your assignment. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm just going to review. I didn't review yesterday because I was running out of time. But so I've got my page. I got page 459 and I got page 460. See, 459 and 460. Okay, it's the homework pages of two-dimensional shapes, classifying triangles. All right, boys and girls, so here I am. I'm getting ready to start. So guess what do I have? I have my yellow highlighter and I have my pencil. Guess what else I have? I have my Avid notes. I took out classifying two-dimensional shapes. I took out types of triangles. And then I also have the quadrilaterals, which will be for tomorrow. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna move this down like so. Okay, boys and girls, so here we go. We've got 13.2 classifying triangles. So I've got my anchor chart out of classifying two-dimensional shapes. It says two-dimensional shapes are flat figures that have a length and a width. Two-dimensional shapes can also be called a plane figure or a polygon. They can be classified by the number of sides and the vertices, the corners, and you can also classify shapes by the types of lines and angles they have. So let's go ahead and look at number 1. I'm going to go ahead and it says classify each triangle and write the acute, right, or obtuse. Okay, so I'm going to come over here and I'm going to let my teacher know that an acute measures less than 90 degrees. I know a right measures exactly 90 degrees, and I know an obtuse measures 90 and above, right? 90 to like 180 perhaps, yep. Acute is 90 or less. We know this, right? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to look at A. So A, I can tell that it has 3 acute angles. So I'm just going to write this down as this is and I'm not going to use my pencil, that this is an acute angle. I can tell right here, the little square lets me know that this is a right angle. And I can see the big obtuse angle right here. So this is going to be obtuse. Pretty easy peasy, what do we say? Lemon squeezy. All right, so now I'm going to flip over the paper. And actually I'm not, because there's not any word problem on that one. Let's go down here to number 8. Can y'all see number 8? Number 8 says, Mark folded a flag into a triangle and built a frame for it in the shape of a triangle below. Which type of triangle did he use to build the shape? So I'm going to underline my question. Which type of triangle did he use to build the frame? So I know my keyword is triangle. And I know from my notes that I know an acute is 90 degrees or less. I know that a right triangle is 90 degrees, and I know that a obtuse angle is 90 and above. But if I look here, they've given me a clue. That little clue means, that's gonna be a right angle. So I'm gonna go ahead and put right, and it's going to be a right triangle. All right, boys and girls? So that's how you were to do your work. This was yesterday, and you still could be working on it. So let me know how that's going for you. So it was page 459. It's page 460. I have out my Avid notes. And that's really about it. And then so, here I'm back. I have my stabilizer, but I don't know if it's working too well. And I hope that you have a great and wonderful day, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.